Okay, hi, it's me, Spurge here again, and we're back in front of you, and I'm doing another one of the tram glitches again, but I'm doing it in winter season this time, but I'm doing it like a different way. Slightly, it's going to make it a quicker way, but I'm not sure if it's going to work or not. I'm like trying to tap into it and see if it actually lets me through. It won't work only if you're, it did work for me once, and I want to try and just get inside it once. Well, only it's like 3 times in three different cars just to prove you can get inside it, and then make it like a little quick thing. See that I was inside, and this car isn't quick enough to catch it, so we need a better car. Because I know I quite like the Baron's car from 2011. Sorry, not 11, 2005. I'm saying 11. We're gonna go into let's see. I'm gonna cover my eye and just pick a car. That I got a Ferrari. Okay, I just check slightly what I had. I'm not checking the recording because it's recording to be a very short clip. We've got 2 minutes or something, so it'd be easy and be short. This car's not gonna be out in snow because the winter season just appeared on this game right now. So with the winter season, if you aren't playing this game yet, wait, was that? There we go. Oh, look, there we go. See that? See that one? Okay, wow. This one goes in the foot. There we go. Yeah, there you go. That's a new way to do it. What you have to do is just press start at the side of it, and it lets you inside. It's in the little Ferrari. It's not a little Ferrari. It's like I quite a Ferrari. It's like a Ferrari got in the comment section if you do play this game quite a lot, which I do. So this is gonna be the third car that is gonna get inside. There you go. You can. Well, I want to show you guys the driving a bit more better. Yes, that's a bit of the driving. Okay, we're gonna get out of this and go into a better car, which is going to be a last car. It's a short video, and I want to just I do it again. It's fun. Oh yeah, I got to my cover racing. Okay, if I do 10 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I got that. It went, it went forward and went back. Oh, I got a dodge. Alright, I got this dodge. It's gonna be a bit of a challenge with a dodge, a big dodge, but I wanna have. So I don't want to put any music on the recording as well. I might get the noise highs and YouTube and shit. So that's why I don't want to get music on it. But again, it's swore, but it's swearing on my channel and like that because I'm not getting rhythm and shit. So what's the point? I'm just showing you guys this just to make it known on this game that you can in fact do this. If you don't know what my game tag is on Xbox, you want to add me and like say how do you do it? You just press start button and then push back and then you should be inside. Well, that was quick as hell. This is why SUV isn't a great thing to use when you want to do it, because it only works if you're up and moving. Wow, moving quite quick today. It moves everything like 2 minutes or something, I think. At the official top. Okay, wow. Wait, I hit a wall. Anyway, besides the point, we just basically did that. I think we're just going to do it one more time with different classes. Just have 4 cards, just because it just gives it a bit more of a, I don't know, a nice little thing. Oh yeah, I'm going to cover mad again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh god, we got. I just thought we got an awful car. I covered my eyes for that bit. You can't see, but oh yeah. Oh, I thought we had an awful car. I didn't get an awful car. Oh, I thought we had that Hudson Hornet for a second. There we had it. That's not bad. Not on the X Plus Ultra is pretty good. You can catch it easier there. I don't know. I just found this glitch randomly, as I said in the last video. If you saw it, there's 90 people did, which I'm very happy about. 90 people saw that video in the last 5 days. So we're going to go inside here with this bit, and there we go. So yeah guys, if you guys did enjoy this little video, just doing it again with different vehicles just to prove that you can, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for uploads dedicated for this back glitch of the game. And make sure to go and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Twitter at SpurgeXPO and Spurges on Instagram. See it moving, that doesn't really matter, put down the anyway. This is a bit of fun and hopefully you guys enjoy it again, because I don't want to be too repetitive, but I'm making the same title as before, just adding it a different thing, make it Frozen for Tram glitch, but without a full stop, make it Tram glitch with exclamation mark at the end, so it makes it a bit more exciting. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching this video. It's been me, Spurgeon, and I am out of here, so I spoke quite quick at the end.